We believe Jesus is the true King. And He's still King. Thank you. I was waiting for that amen. It can be out loud. He's the true King. Now, again, Revelation 19:16 says He's the King of kings and the Lord of lords. Now, that word Lord is the Hebrew word, or is the English word for the Greek word kurios. Kurios means master. Now, you must understand the thought pattern in biblical times is that slaves was a common thing, and this was saying, He's my master, and like a slave always obeys the master, wants to please the master, He's the master over all masters. So, Jesus, I'd love to be your slave. Send me, ask of me whatever you want. That should be our posture, because He's our master. Now again, 1 Samuel 8 warns the Israelites what will happen, and still they wanted to have a king over themselves. The question is, who is your king? Who is Lord of Lords over your life? Have you surrendered fully to Him, your time, your relaxation? Or must He wait until I have time?